in exercise 8, I will be giving you a solution of Madhya PDF. So in today's video, I am giving you another exercise 9, shoutouts to everyone. This is your exercise 9, and what is that? I will be telling you all things. This is a shout out to everyone. Means shout out to everyone. This is an exercise. So see this video, start to end, and please like this video, share our friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm not taking a long time. So let's do a coding with laughing. Now let me tell you exercise 9. Like write a program to pronounce list of names using Win32 API. If you given a list L as follows, like I will be right here like L, like here I will be change the name. You also I will be changing a name. Like first name is I'm giving like Ryan, second name I'm giving like John, third and first name I'm giving like Jack. And then when I will be running, so your programs will pronounce like here you can see that your program will pronounce shout out to Jack, shout out to John, shout out to Ryan. Okay, and this is your tasks. And now note, if you are not using Windows, you will be note that if you are not using Windows, and you note here onto the notepad, you note here, if you are not using Windows, try to figure out how to do the same thing, using some other package. How to do the same thing using some other package. Using other package. Okay, this is your task. Like I have tell you, like you write a program to pronounce list of names using Win32 API. If you are given a list L as follows. So now in today's video, I will be giving you another exercise. So in next video, the next video is coming on to the Python project. But into the Saturday video, I will be telling you a time module in Python, because tomorrow I will be uploading a project of Python. So see my Python project also. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And go to the YouTube and search my channel by the name of Code with PK. And if Code with PK, and go here, and this is I upload the latest clone of Microsoft clone. Please see this video and go to the playlist, and go to the Python playlist and bookmark it and access my playlist. And tell me one thing, if you are what thumbnail you like? You like this red thumbnail, or you like let me see another thumbnail. You like this red thumbnail, or this thumbnail, or this thumbnail you like? Okay, so tell me in my comment also, and like this comment if you like this thumbnail of my Python, or this. Tell me in my comment. So please like this video, share friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be do a live stream also. Whenever I will be do a live stream, I will be upload onto my community also, and see this. Okay, and please subscribe from here, and please my subscribers 8,000. And now I will meet you next class, and next very amazing class of Python project, or maybe Python tutorial. So now and the next week, I will be telling you, I will be uploading that video that I never upload onto my channel. That video is very beautiful, and that video is onto the full stack, and that video is next week. I am uploading a big video that of 5 hours or 10 or 6 hours. I am uploading that video. So that see this video also. And whenever I am uploading that video, I will be post onto my community. So see this video also. So I'll meet you next class, and next video amazing class of Python. So for today, goodbye.